welcome back to my channel. So today I'm super excited about the video that I have planned. So this look I just did, and it is from the Jaclyn Hill Morphe Vault collection. I just got yesterday in the mail. I am head over heels in love. I've heard, you know, there was an issue at the beginning with it when the shadows weren't performing very well. So I was a little, you know, concerned about how it was going to work when I got it. I've only used the one palette, which is this. It's the Dark Magic palette. It has these colors in it. And that's what I did this look with. And they performed fine. I do have to say that in comparison to her original palette with Morphe, definitely not the same formula. I know she said that they were, but the mattes are a lot, there's a lot more fallout with the mattes. Granted, I did use a blue, which is a tough color to make a creamy shadow with, but even this color, the Power Cut, which is a shimmer, wasn't as creamy as the ones in the other Jaclyn Hill palette. So I do have the other three palettes here. I'll show you those. This is Bling Boss, and this is a purple palette. This is Ring the Alarm, which is this reddish orangey palette. And this is Armed and Gorgeous, which is the yellow palette, which I can't wait to do something with all of them, but I'm excited about this one too. But of course, blue is my favorite color, so the Dark Magic one was the one that I went with first. I used my normal Morphe brushes. I did not cut a crease. I just kind of did this, and you'll see in the tutorial that I didn't use any concealer or anything, so this is all just on my lid. They are very pigmented. No issues. The blending wasn't an issue. They just weren't the same formula as the original Morphe Jaclyn Hill palette, but they are just as good as all the other Morphe shadows. The Jaclyn Hill palette is just a different, I don't know, they're just so creamy and buttery. Even the mattes they're just different. I don't know. They're a little bit better in my opinion, but these shadows performed, you know, better than they did, I think, before they went and redid them, because I've seen people have problems with the same colors that I used, and I didn't have any issues. So that's it. So far I love it. I've only used one. I am gonna obviously dip into the other shades, and I will show you guys when I do that. If you're new to my channel, welcome. My name is Amanda Marie, and if you haven't already, go ahead and hit the subscribe button. You can follow me on all of my social media. I'm super active on Facebook. I'm super active on Instagram, and I'm starting to be active on Snapchat. And I'll link those all up here for you. And that's it. So stay tuned if you want to see how I created this look with that palette. We'll jump right into the tutorial, and I will see you guys soon. Bye, guys. Hi, guys. All right, so I am going into the palette that's called Dark Magic. I'm going to go in with the color Shh with my Morphe M504 brush, and I'm just going to go ahead and apply that all into my crease as my transition shade. Then I'm going to take my Morphe M507, and I'm going to go in with this blue color. It's called Busted, and I'm going to apply that into my crease as well. Then taking my Morphe 433, I'm just going to go ahead and blend out what I just applied into my lid. And then just switching back and forth between the Morphe M433 and the Morphe M507. I'm just going to keep adding color and blending until I'm happy with the depth and happy with the way that it's blended. Now I'm going to go into the black color Temptress, and I'm going to take my MUA crease brush and just apply that to the outer corner and a little bit to the crease to add some dimension. So now I'm going to go into the shimmer silver color power cut, and I'm going to take my Luxie 459 and I'm going to use that to spread the silver all over my crease. Nope, my lid. I'm going to spread it on my lid, not my crease. So now I'm going to take my Morphe M432, it's just a flat liner brush, and I'm going to take that blue color Busted again. I'm going to apply that to my lower lash line. And then once I'm done with that, I'm going to take the Morphe M507 again and just kind of blend it out a little bit on the bottom. Now time for a little bit of mascara on the top and bottom, and then I'm going to go ahead and apply some lashes, and I'll be back with the final look. Alright guys, here it is, my final look. I absolutely love this palette. I think this look came out nice, and I hope you guys like this tutorial, and I will see you soon. I love you guys. Bye.